how to create a homepage in WordPress with Elementor. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own WordPress homepage using Elementor. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm over here with a brand new installation of WordPress website. I'm using Pantheon. With it, you can easily get a free WordPress website. So once you have installed your website, you need to install a couple of plugins in order to get started. So we're going to go into the plugin section right here. I'm going to click on plugins. Update is available. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on update, date available, update them. And once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and click on add new plugin. And here we want to add Astra. These are going to be the starter templates, right? Which is over here, the starter templates Elementor. You just simply search for Astra. It was formerly known as Astra. Now it's starter templates. And then we'll activate them. I would also like to get Elementor header and footer and install the Elementor as well. And we'll activate them later. Right here, Elementor website builder will also get essential add-ons should we need them. And also, I'll just get this one as well. It's actually Woolentor. I was searching for Wooteller. I don't know what that was. So yeah, Shoplentor. Get that as well. And after that, we should be good to go. Now we're going to go into the install plugin section and activate all of them, right? So click over here, bulk action, activate them, and click on activate. And there we go. All right, so once that's done, it's going to ask you to go ahead and create an account with Elementor, but you know what? We're not going to do that. We'll just close this video and go back to the dashboard, and there we go. All right, so now that that's done, first things first, what you need to do is you need to come over here onto the template section. Here, you're going to go into appearance, and here you're going to see you have starter templates, right? Click on starter templates, and you're just simply going to go ahead and import a template, right? We're going to go with the classic builder, and we're going to select block editor. And actually, no, not the block editor. Go back, go into appearance, go into starter templates, and select the Elementor editor, right? Classic, and select Elementor. Dismiss everything, and then just select any of the website that you like, right? So I'm going to select the outdoor adventure. If you have a logo over here, you can upload your logo right here, change the fonts, the color palette, all of that cool stuff, and then hit the continue button. Then it's going to ask you whether or not you want to have these selected features. So if you want to have these features in your website, select them and click on continue. If not, just leave them as it is and click on continue. Next, just tell them a little bit about yourself, first name, last name, work email, and all that cool stuff. After that, just simply click on submit my build and build my website. And once that's done, it's going to go ahead and start building your website. It's going to take a couple of seconds, maybe 20-30 seconds. Once that's done, it should be good to go. It's going to go ahead and download all the required plugins, fonts, and etc. And we should be good to go. And there we go. So website took 34 seconds to build. Everything looks good. Now we can go ahead and click over here to visit our website. So let's go ahead and visit the website and also go back to the dashboard. And here is the website. As you can see, it looks really simple, nothing too crazy. Over here, we have all of our main options, and yeah. So now we can go ahead and edit this out, and it's actually pretty simple since we already have the Elementor plugin, which is the builder. We can use that to build a website. You can go with the standard builder as well, but I personally like Elementor a little bit better. So we're going to click on edit this with Elementor, and it's going to go ahead and open up the Elementor editor. And here is the editor. It's going to show you, I'll basically tell you how to use it, but we don't need that. So this is the editor right here. Very simple. Over here on the left hand side, you're going to have all of your main options. You're going to have your containers, your basic elements. And since we have already downloaded the Woolentor, we're also going to have Woolentor elements over here as well, and the essential add-ons as well. So pretty cool stuff. You can go ahead and check it out. And yeah, now to edit your homepage, it's actually very simple. Just move your mouse around, right? And select the elements that you want to edit, right? The elements that you can edit are going to be highlighted like so that we can go ahead and edit them. I'm going to go ahead and put this container right here on the side. So, we don't see them enough, but yeah. So first things first, let's go ahead and change the background. Just simply click on it, right? Or just select the whole structure by clicking on this button, and it's going to select it. On the left hand side, you're going to have your options. Here you want to go into style. Here you will find the image right here. Just simply click on choose image. If you already have an image uploaded, just simply select the file and upload it over here. And once it's uploaded, just simply go ahead and select them, right? There we go. We've got a nice background image right here. We can also add the animation over here. For example, over here on the left hand side, you can see you've got options over here, image resolution. That's fine. There should be You go into the advanced section over here, scroll down, you will find the motion effect over here. Here you can add the scrolling effect if you want, or the mouse effect, warp effect, whatever type of effect you want, you can add that over there. Pretty simple, right? Next, to edit the text, again, just simply click on it, change the text via the left-hand side. Here, it'll open up on the left-hand side. Over here, with this right-hand side, this is going to be the containers. It's going to show you all the containers, right? And within them, they're going to be heading and all of the buttons and stuff like that. Bottom container is going to have the image, which is over here. These are the images right here. So right here, as you can see, this comma image is going to be over here. This is the testimonial. And then over here is going to be this container, and it's going to contain all of this. So this is basically the structure overall. It's helpful if you want to keep it. If you're not, you can just close it up. So yeah, or just collapse everything like that. But yeah, pretty simple stuff. Next, I would recommend changing up, of course, the images overall, right? Change up all the images, all the backgrounds, and then change up the text. To edit the text, just simply select the text that you want to edit, like over here, and change it to whatever you want. Pretty simple stuff. You can choose an image as well. You can change the font names as well. Go into styles. Here you will have the typography option. Click on it, and it'll open up the family tree over here, where you can go ahead and select any font you want. Pretty simple. And once that's done, I would also recommend you add some more stuff to it. For example, this is just simple, right? Next, I would recommend you add like a contact page, right? Even though this website is very simple over here at the top, I'll show you later on where we have the header and footer editor. But for now, let's go ahead and add like a contact page. If you want to add them, just simply click on the plus button. You can add the layout over here. If you want to add a specific widget, just simply click on the block and it'll open up over here. You can import the entire form page right here. You can see it over here. If you want, you can use the AI over here. It's going to tell you what you need to do. This is the Elementor AI as well. And over here is going to be Templately. You can install Templately if you want. And I believe this is the starter template. Here you can have pages, and here are the blocks. So you can add individual blocks. So since we want to add a form block type, something like that, we can add that over here. We can find it from here. So we should find it over here someplace. If not, you can just add whatever you want. But yeah, simply add that over there. Again, if you want, we'll go back to the main elements. Here you can go ahead and find your main option. Just simply scroll down. We should find it over here. WooCommerce, these are the essential add-ons. Here is the header and footer builder. You can add that as well. These are WordPress's own options that you can add, their own WordPress forms. So just drag and drop them right here, and it'll automatically add it right here. Here you can go ahead and add the title and select the form and click on contact form. And there you go. You have a simple contact form over here. After that, you can add the title, whatever you want. I'll just say contact me or get in touch. And then we'll just simply click on the advanced settings and maybe, change up the alignment a little bit. You can go with that, or, depends on you. But once that's done, just simply make sure to save your website as possible. Otherwise, you don't want to lose all of your data. And yeah, it's pretty simple. After that, just publish the website, and then you can just simply close the editor and exit to WordPress. So there you have it. This is how you do it. This is how you edit a homepage of your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.